لکھیں جی. I am directed to refer to Government of West Pakistan, S&GAD letter dated the 8th October, 1963 on the subject noted above, and to say that it has been brought to the notice of government that as a result it has been, of the introduction of Punjab non-gazetted civil service pay revision rules, 1972, certain posts have unwittingly come within the jurisdiction of recruitment slash selection boards, full stop. The intention of government was that pay revision exercise should not result in enlarging the jurisdiction of selection boards, and that the cases which were previously within the jurisdiction of selection boards should continue to be dealt with by them irrespective of the revision of pay scales, full stop. However, certain anomalies have arisen as a result of the enforcement of national pay scales, full stop. For instance, the posts of ziladars slash overseers, which were not previously referable to the selection boards have now come within the jurisdiction of the boards because of the instructions contained in the letter under reference, full stop. It has therefore, been decided that the posts which were under the jurisdiction of selection boards prior to the revision of pay scales by the finance departments notification dated 2nd June, 1972 will continue to remain under their jurisdiction irrespective of the revised initial salary, which has been sanctioned for such posts under the national pay scales, full stop. Similarly, in respect of promotion posts, the existing jurisdiction as laid down in the letter under reference shall remain unchanged, full stop. It has further been decided that the gazetted posts which were below class 2 or equivalent pay scales and have been excluded from the jurisdiction of Punjab Public Service Commission, YD notification number, dated 26th December, 1967 shall continue to be dealt with by the selection board concerned as laid down in the Government of West Pakistan, full stop. I am directed to request that the above instructions may kindly be brought to the notice of all concerned for information and compliance, full stop. I am directed to say that a question has arisen that where a post comes within the purview of a selection board, but in the relevant service rules an authority has been specified as the appointing authority, whether or not if it is mandatory to consult the selection board for making appointment there against, full stop.